Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you my Ruger 22 LR. There we go. I did a little bit of modification. But look at this, you guys gonna like this. You know, I really don't like the one that comes with the Ruger. The one that you have to replace the chickpeas. It's still short on me. So what I did, look at this. See that? And it looks good too. So I modified my own. That's a tape. I found it online, Amazon. I'll send you. I'll put a link on the description if you guys want to see it. But look at it. That's beautiful. Wow. So what I use in that one is this whatever cheap. You know, when they do exercise, Pilates, whatever it is. So I cut pieces in that. I think you can buy this anywhere in $5. I think I spent like $10 out of 6 packs. So this is the thing if you want to see it. And if you made a mistake, you can actually undo it and put it back in, undo it, so you can do it all day. You're not wasting it until you're set to go. So you can always undo this one whenever you feel like to. It's not a waste. So I'm gonna make one again for my 223 Savage. Savage, guys. It's a 223 Savage 2 XP. Alright? So I'll give you an update in a few seconds.